I think this is the one dream that we have as car enthusiasts because I think all of us love to travel, but the best case scenario of all of it would be traveling with your car. I mean, just imagine going through all the snow-topped mountains, to the deserts, to the flat parts of America that are so boring that you're gonna want to fall asleep. But this is what I did with my Need for Speed themed M3. Me and my girlfriend had acquired a house in Arizona, which is on the west coast of America, while we lived in New Jersey, which is on the east coast of America. The trip was basically about a total of 2,800 miles and about 45 hours of driving. We spread it out through 5 days, although this could have been done in 2 to 3 days if you really drove about 12 to 14 hours a day, but we wanted to stop in the major cities and enjoy our surroundings rather than just push ourselves. So guys, before I even start, I just want to say we finally have our first sponsor video, which is pretty amazing. So today's video is sponsored by Viking War of Clans. Viking War of Clans is based on 90s RPGs that we all grew up playing, and something the people of today's generation wouldn't understand about a game like that. What makes the Viking world so amazing and immersive is the fact that there's over 20 million players always playing and fighting and versing each other in this kind of immersion that you can't really get with any other game. So guys, if you really want to join me, my username is Andrei M3GTR, one word. So it'd be awesome to play with you guys. So please guys, do support my channel by going in the link in the description, both for iOS and Android, and downloading Vikings for free using my links in the description below. It will get you a special bonus of 200 gold and a protective shield when you start the game fresh. As I said, when you do make an account, my name is Andrei M3GTR, one word. So please do join and add me, and I will add you back. It's finally happening. Today's the day. What's up, everyone? So we are going on a 2,800 mile road trip. Not so much of a road trip. It is a road trip. We're moving to Arizona from New Jersey. Here's a map in case you don't know where that is. But yeah, we are driving this thing, which is pretty dirty right now. So I might actually clean it right before we leave, and just to see how dirty it gets. But yeah, we packed everything like crazy. This thing is filled. I can't even open the trunk. I don't even want to open the trunk because those latches are holding it down very well, because there's all my tools and crates in there. Got stuff over there in the passenger seat. Got stuff right here. It's out of hand. And yeah, 2,800 miles in a race car. PA, which is like, I don't know, somewhere in the middle of PA, long ass state. We're gonna go get dinner now at some diner, which was supposed to be our lunch. So yeah. So guys, we are in Columbus, Ohio. Finally arrived. A little over 8-hour drive, not including stops for the dogs and lunch or late dinner. And yeah, something like 530 miles, I think, today. Today's one of the bigger days, and there's another one. The rest are going to be 6 hours. So, yeah, I guess I'll wrap it up, because I'm really tired. It's like 10:30 p.m. Hey guys, so it's the morning now, 9 a.m. We're about to head out. We're just going to go grab some hotel breakfast. If it's 2.5 or 3 hours to Indianapolis, Indiana, which is like the capital of Indiana, which is where the Indy 500 NASCAR, or no, the Indy 500 is. And then after that, we're heading to St. Louis to stay the night. But we will be arriving there. It's kind of hard to open from the outside. Chipmunk. Then we're stopping at St. Louis, but we're going to be arriving there pretty early, like 3-4 p.m. So I'm thinking of maybe, I don't know, maybe doing some sightseeing, getting a picture of the GTR in front of the famous arch. The arch is like the main, like, what is it called, tourist destination of St. Louis. It's like this, literally just a big arch. So maybe that'd be cool. So we're currently in Illinois, somewhere. We are currently at the world's, in the background you shall see the world's biggest wind chimes. I'll record it with the regular camera because the GoPro isn't too good with up close. But we're also right in front of the world's biggest rocking chair. That's a big old bitch. I don't know, we're just doing some little tourist sightseeing, since either way we're gonna get to St. Louis. We're 2 hours away, I believe, from St. Louis right now. So yeah, and I think it's only like 2 or 3 p.m. Yeah, it's 2 p.m. So doing good on time, and we'll have a lot of exploring to do in St. Louis. My goal is just to like kind of take pictures of the car in front of like random stuff, like crap like this, or like, you know, not monuments, but like the landmarks of like cities and stuff like that. That's what I'm really looking for. That absolutely looks so hilarious in frame, because the cars look like little toy cars. Minnesota? No. Missouri. They both sound the same. We're now in St. Louis, Missouri. Correct?
Yes.
I thought it was Minnesota. It sounds all the same to me. And that's the arch. I don't know what it means. I'm sure it says it somewhere here, but I just know that's like the main thing of this town. Actually ended up meeting up with, if you remember her, Rachel, which is the one we had the Tuner Battlegrounds competition with. Well, she's from Oklahoma City, so that's where we are right now. A little bit north of Texas, maybe like 2 hours north of the Texas line. So yeah, we decided to, you know, meet up, do some pictures maybe or something like that, a little Throwback Thursday thing. Because this was the person that I had to verse at SEMA, which a lot of you guys for some reason had to say mean things about her car, although literally we never had any beef or anything. It was just like a competition, and that's really it. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do for now, and then we're probably gonna go to the hotel, which is a little bit south of here. You know, yeah, it's really cold. People told me that there's a Cars and Coffee here in the morning, but I don't know if we're gonna do that because we're actually staying 40 minutes south of here, and I don't know if we want to drive back up north. And the Cars and Coffees is at like 6 a.m. and we have like 8.5 hours of driving because we're going to Texas tomorrow for lunch, and then should end the day in Albuquerque, New Mexico, which is the state to the right of Arizona. So this is day 3 of 5, like I said, and 2 more days left. State of Texas. Wearing a t-shirt, took off my hoodie for the first time. 60 degrees outside, but yet there's snow on the ground, so a little mix-up of everything, but pretty damn awesome. What you saw in the last clips was the Oklahoma City Cars and Coffee. I wasn't actually going to go to it, but I got a ton of DMs, more than any city so far, about people wanting to see the car, so I just decided, hey, you know, we'll take an hour and a half out of the trip to go there. It was can finally make a video like that. Finally arrived in our house. I forgot to shoot an outside shot, but I will be doing a separate like house tour video. But for now, we just brought the cars into the 2-car garage that it has, which is a lot bigger than the one I had where I built the car in. Just to unload all this stuff because we have dogs and we're gonna be going in and out of this door, and the new one tries to escape. But this is amazing. Obviously this garage is only gonna be used for my car. Her car is not gonna be in here. My car is literally just gonna be like in the center, so you could walk around and do whatever you need to do. But this place has so much more room. Like, I'll figure out where to put those, but you know, have like a workbench, toolbox, have a little cabinet supply closet to put stuff into. It's a really nice setup, I think. Hope you guys are excited for the cool car, or cars I can build in this garage now. We were trying to get a 3-car, as I mentioned multiple times, but it was really hard for us to find a house that is willing to rent out to us because we do not have a rental history and stuff like that. And especially moving to a town where we don't have jobs already, it's very hard to convince someone, hey, we can pay so-and-so amount every month. But luckily we found people that were willing to work with us deposit-wise, and everything worked out and we were able to get a house before we even got here, which is really, really wonderful, because I was thinking we were gonna have to stay in a hotel for like a week here or something like that, but have our own house now. This is pretty amazing. It's very surreal. But like I said, I will do a house tour soon. Hopefully. Hello, guy. Hi, other little guy. They both have a backyard now, but I'll show you that in the house tour thing. But anyways, thank you so much for everyone for watching. I assume the video will be good, hopefully. It was really amazing taking my car on a trip. Like, generally this is like all I want to do for like a living, is just like make videos. Well, build dope cars first, just travel with them across America, race them, and make videos of it. There is like a time attack event, Grid Life, at Willow Springs, which is a big drift track in California. It's roughly like, I think 4.5 or 5 hours from here, and it's February 4th. No, it's February 24th. Yeah, it's in basically more than a month. So I was thinking maybe taking my car for the race event, because obviously around here, like, car season's still going on, because it's like 55-ish right now, and it's usually high 60s here. So it's not like cold like in New Jersey. So we'll see what happens with that, but either way, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, etc. Obviously do this content a lot, and I really like doing stuff with this car, and there will be new cars eventually, so stick around.